Hey guys, my name is Ritesh and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the fourth video of the Python programming course. In this video, we will write a program to read two numbers from the user and print their quotient and remainder when the second number divides the first number. So, uh, like all the other videos, in this video, first we will see the logic, that is understand how to get the quotient and the remainder of two numbers, and in the end we will write the code. Okay, so let's get started. So let us consider two numbers. Let the first number be 15 and the second number be 2. So if we divide the first number by the second number, that is if we divide 15 by 2, and and according to the program we have to get the quotient and the remainder when we divide 15 by 2. So to get the quotient we use integer division or floor division, that is the double slash operator in Python. I will explain you why we are using the integer division to get the quotient, and to get the remainder we will use modulus operator. So you might be thinking why we are using integer division rather than normal division to get the quotient. So here is the answer. If we divide 15 by 2 using the normal division method, that is the single slash operator, we will get 7.5. But as we require the quotient, that is the integer part or the floor part of the 7.5, therefore we are using double slash operator. So if we divide 15 by 2 using the double slash operator, we will get 7, which is the quotient. And if we use modulus operator, that is 15 modulus 2, we will get 1, that is the remainder. Okay, now let's see the steps to write the code. Here, the first step is to input the first number and the second number and store in separate variables. The second step is get the quotient using the integer division, as we have seen above how to get the quotient, and the remainder using modulus operator. And in the end, we have to just print the quotient and remainder. Now, I hope you all have understood the logic behind the code. Now, let's start with the code. So here is the editor where we will write the code. First save the code on the same folder till now where we have saved all the codes. Here is the editor where we will be writing the code. So first step is to save the code, okay, where in on the desktop where we have saved all the other three programs. I will name this program as program 4. Okay, now first step is to write the title of the code using a single line comment. Okay, so here I have written the title of the code using the single line comment. Now we have to input two variables, that is the first number and the second number, and both the variables will be the integer inputs. Okay, so here I have created two variables, the first num and the second num, and both the variables are of integer type. Before taking the input, we are also displaying the message like to enter the first number and to enter the second number. Okay, now we have to get the quotient and the remainder. This variable stores the value of the quotient when we will divide the first number with the second number using the double slash operator, and this variable remainder stores the value of the remainder when we will divide the first number with the second number using modulus operator. Okay, now we have the value of the quotient and the remainder in the respective variables. Now the third step is to just print the quotient and the remainder. And so the last statement of the code is to print the value of quotient and remainder. For this we have used dot format method. So the first pair of curly bracket corresponds to the first parameter of the dot format method, which is the quotient. Here the second pair of curly braces corresponds to the remainder variable, and when the print function will execute, in place of the curly braces the value of quotient is stored, and in place of the second curly braces the value of the remainder is stored. Okay, so now the program is ready. Just save the program and press F5 to run. Okay, so here it is asking to enter the first number. We will enter 15. For now it is asking to enter the second number. We will enter 2. Okay, now the result is here. The quotient is 7 and the remainder is 1. Now let's try with another example. Let's enter 21, the second number 3. As you can see, the quotient is 7 and the remainder is 0, because 21 is completely divisible by 3, therefore the remainder we get here is 0. Okay friends, that's it for this video. If you want the notes of this video and the code as well, you can follow my blog. The link is in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, please like the video and do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notifications of the video. Thank you.